Burnley-based Leroyd Packaging Limited is a leading manufacturer of high-performance printed flexible packaging and finished bags. Two new projects recently undertaken by Leroyd have seen the company significantly reduce the amount of waste they send to landfill and also reduce the volume of hazardous waste produced. The first project saw Leroyd purchase 2 balers and place 30 wheeled bins around the site to help members of staff separate and recycle different waste streams. Another project undertaken by the company involved improving the distillation of solvents they used, ensuring they were used to their full potential before disposal. As a result of the initiatives, Leroyd have diverted 300 tonnes of waste from landfill, made £19,958 in cost savings, and generated £42,620 of revenue. Darwin-based Speciality Coatings are a global leader in the provision of plastisols and PVC coatings for the wall covering industry. After achieving accreditation for environmental management standard ISO 14001 in 1998, and given the increasing cost of raw materials and landfill tax, the company has been working hard to reduce the amount of waste they generate. Speciality coatings have significantly reduced the amount of coating line waste generated through rationalizing the number of products and improving communication amongst staff to reduce changeovers. The company has also developed initiatives to recycle waste plastisol. As a result of all their waste initiatives, the company have saved 93.7 tonnes of raw materials, diverted 530 tonnes of waste from landfill, and generated total annual cost savings of over £128,000. Skelmersdale-based Turtle Wax Limited form the international manufacturing and distribution base for the global brand. The manufacturers of air fresheners, restorers, washes and waxes have been working with Lanx BEA and the Carbon Trust to implement a number of projects to reduce energy use on site. Some of the initiatives implemented by the company include the development of a successful energy efficiency staff awareness campaign, the installation of censored lighting, the installation of energy-efficient motors on process machinery, and to make better use of off-peak power, the installation of timers for the charging of forklift trucks. As a result of all the initiatives, over the past 12 months, Turtle Wax has reduced its electricity consumption by 25%, on top of savings made in previous years. Rossendale-based kitchen and bedroom furniture manufacturers J&J Ormerod produce more than 600 kitchens and 100 bedrooms every week. J&J Ormerod's Olive Mill site is a high-energy user, and over the past 12 months the company has been working with Lanx BEA and the Carbon Trust to implement energy efficiency measures on site. One project saw the installation of a wireless automated monitoring system to allow J&J Ormerod to identify high-energy users and target areas with inefficient working practices. Another project included the installation of on-site voltage optimization equipment to enable the company to use significantly less power without it affecting the operation of the equipment on site. As a result of all the projects, J&J Ormerod have reduced their annual gas and electricity use by over 6,220,000 kilowatt hours, have saved over 1,805 tonnes of carbon dioxide, and made total cost savings of over £314,000. Haslingden-based Camfil Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Camfil Far Group, the largest manufacturer of air filters worldwide. As members of Lanx BEA's Resource Efficiency Club, Camfil work hard to reduce waste and improve energy efficiency on site. Camfil have created a successful staff awareness campaign under the banner of CEASE, or Camfil Energy Awareness Saves Environment, and have also undertaken projects such as designing a new shaped load box for the company vans to reduce emission and fuel use, and have installed a new gas control system to reduce gas use throughout the site. It is expected that all the projects should lead to financial savings of between £30,000 to £50,000 and carbon dioxide savings of 200 tonnes. Camfil have also taken action to reduce the amount of waste generated on site. Plastic and office paper waste are being separated for recycling, and a small amount of waste filter media is being used for packaging when cartons that are not full are sent out. All of the waste initiatives have so far helped divert 24 tonnes of waste from landfill and have generated £1,610 of cost savings. Vale Engineering manufacture a range of safety and discharge valves and associated equipment for the haulage and storage industry. Moving to a new manufacturing site at Simonstone enabled Vale to install new measures to reduce resource use and the overall environmental impact of the company. One of the new measures involved the installation of a coolant management system to allow coolant to be recirculated within the site. Another measure saw the installation of 2 new acid dips, meaning that Vale no longer need to discharge acid rinse-off. As a result, Vale Engineering have made total annual water savings of 214,560 litres, reduced the discharge of trade effluent by 52,650 litres, and made total annual cost savings of over £19,000. Blackpool-based Booth Dispensers design and manufacture refrigeration equipment for the drinks, vending and beer dispense market. 2 years on from accreditation to Environmental Management Standard ISO 14001, a new project to design and manufacture a fridge system that could keep dispensing cool beer during the busiest periods in pubs gave the company an ideal opportunity to further reduce water use on site. The normal testing of a new refrigeration product involves filling the bath part of the refrigeration system with water and waiting to see if an ice bank forms on the refrigeration coil. This process uses 40 litres of water for every unit. So Booth Dispensers purchased new equipment, including a vacuum and charge machine, a data logger and digital thermometer, to enable this testing to be done without filling the bath with water. The new technology has so far saved Booth Dispensers 9.82 cubic meters of water and 271.15 kilowatt-hours of electricity. Other initiatives undertaken include management switching all the lights off at the end of the day and installation of lighting sensors in numerous areas. Waltham-based Senator International Limited design, manufacture and distribute a wide range of office furniture. Senator achieved accreditation to ISO 14001 in 2001 and over the past 12 months has successfully adopted several different environmental management strategies, including waste stream identification and minimization, packaging recycling, carbon footprinting, and the creation of recycling centers. Whilst the main objective of these strategies was to minimize the impact the company has on the environment, Senator have also experienced direct savings as a result. The strategies have enabled Senator to make expected total financial savings of £524,000 for 2008. And it is hoped that by the end of 2008, 85% of all the waste generated by Senator will be recycled. Future environmental management projects for Senator include increasing customer packaging returns for recycling and purchasing a second wood-burning boiler to replace gas heating.